Hi guys, today's Leetcode daily is count days without meetings. So we are given a positive integer days which tells us how many days the employee is available for work starting from day 1. Now we are also given a 2D array meetings which tells us what is the start date and end date of the meetings. Now we have to return the count of days when this employee is available for work but no meetings are scheduled for him. The meetings may overlap. Now we'll see example to understand this question in a better way. Here the employee is available for 10 days and he has meeting scheduled as follows. The meeting will start at 5 and end on 7. It will start on 1 and on 3 and so on. If we'll see that on 4th and 8th day there is no meeting for him, so we'll return 2 as our output. Now we'll see approach how we can do that. So first we'll sort the meetings array so that we can explore meetings that start first. Now we'll also maintain latest end variable so that we can keep track of what is the latest end date of the meeting we have explored till now. Now we'll traverse in the meetings array. If at any time start date is greater than latest and plus one, that means start date is greater than the last ending next day of the last ending day. That means there is a gap. So we'll add that gap to our answer and at last we'll return our answer. Now, like we'll see code. We'll take answer variable where we'll store our actual answer. We'll take latest end where we are storing the latest end of the meetings that we have explored till now. We'll sort the meetings array so that we explore the meetings that start first. Now we'll start traversing in meetings, and if any for any meeting, if start date is greater than the next date of the latest end, that means there is a gap. So we'll add that gap to our answer. Here I start date minus latest end will give the difference between start date and latest end. But at start date, actually we are having meeting, so we are doing minus one also. And every time we'll update latest end with the max of the end and latest end so that it stores what we want it to store. After this loop is done, it may be possible that latest end is may not fall on the last day, so there may also be some gap. So we'll add that gap to our answer, and finally we'll return answer variable. Now, if we talk about time complexity, this short function will take O of n log n. This loop will take O of n. So overall time complexity is O of n log n. If we talk about space complexity, we are not taking any extra array or vector. We are just using sort function, which will take O of log n. Space complexity. So overall space complexity is O of log n.